Good morning.
Good morning.
Did y'all have a good weekend?
Yeah.
All right, what day is it today?
Monday.
Monday what?
March.
March. Good job. Yes.
22nd.
Yesterday was the 22nd.
23rd.
March 23rd. What's the year?
2020.
2020. All right, y'all stand up. Attention, salute, pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag
Wrong hand,
of
Logan.
the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, y'all ready for a fun day of learning? Huh? Yes. Would you? Hey, come here. Are you crazy? Are you crazy, Logan? Whoa. All right, come here, Lolo. All right, if you could do one thing today, what would it be?
Be my good helper.
You'd be my good helper? I like that answer. Troy, if you could do one thing today, what would it be?
Play Logan. I'd play Logan.
Play with Pokemon cards with Logan? Oh, good morning, Princess. Hi. All right, Troy, you go get on fast forward. Logan, you're gonna do your letters. All right, Troy's doing his fast forward computer stuff. And me and Logan are gonna do some letter learning today. Letter review. You ready, Logan? All right, she's coloring. Logan's drawing some L's. You're doing good. Very good. We got our helper down here. Hey, Goku, what you doing? Goku. You tired? Logan's doing the letter bubbles. This one's silly. What? All right, we just finished our Bible story. It's reading time. Troy is reading his book, and Logan went to get me some books to read with him. All right, Logan picked out us some books to read. So we are going to get started. Thomas, right there. And a Thomas book. All right, we just finished up a snack. Troy is writing. We're practicing writing. He's writing a letter to his Nana and Pappy. Logan is playing with some blocks. Brooklyn is finishing up her breakfast. All right, Logan, go back over there. Over there. All right, Logan. Sorry, not Logan. Troy. It's okay. Troy's working on some worksheets. Doing his work. And me and Logan are playing an Apple counting game, preschool counting game. And we're just trying to keep her entertained. She kept messing our game up. All right, Logan, you ready to play? All right, pick one. Pick a card. What you got?
Apple.
Apple. He got an apple. How many apples?
One
apple. Right. Logan's doing a good job. He has to find. I was in charge of lining up the words.
1, 2, 3,
He's in charge of counting the
5,
dots
6,
and lining
7,
up
8, 9,
the
10,
numbers in the correct
11,
order.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
19. All right, see where that goes.
10,
After 11.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
19. Good job. Right here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You
6,
counted.
7, 8.
Logan's working away. He's doing so good with this. You're doing a good job, Logan. Here, let's get her away from the dots and stuff. Logan's doing really, really good. I think he likes this activity. Troy's doing some math over there. All right, Logan finished up. Count them out for me, buddy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Don't go so fast.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yay! Good job, Logan. Woohoo! All right. All right. Watching a little Sesame Street counting here. Practicing our numbers and getting some energy out.
Cookies!
How many? We had planned to go for a walk, but this is what's going on outside. Pouring down rain. So, we're stuck indoors today. Now we got some dancing going on. They just have so much energy.
Sounds good.
Alright, they are doing some Hot Wheel time right now. Are y'all having fun? Yeah? It's almost time for lunch, but I like how y'all are playing so nicely together. Alright, Troy's doing more work. He's doing some fractions and stuff. Me and Lolo are working on the computer, doing colors. Brooklyn's over there reading books to herself. Alright, this is our bunny craft we made today. The neighborhood is putting animals on each door or window just to decorate the neighborhood, I guess. So when you're out walking, you can spot them. So that's our bunny. Taking our afternoon walk. Me and the boys just ran 2 miles, right? Whoop whoop. 2-mile run around the neighborhood. All right, now we're gonna walk for 1 mile. And yeah, feels great. Out here is perfect running weather. It's just wet because it's rained all day.
There were 3 little bears sitting on chairs.
Troy's reading a
And
nighttime
2
story to
little
Brooklyn.
kittens and a pair
He's
of...
reading your story. It's okay. Troy, kiss it. We're brushing teeth in here.
I'm done.
Did you do your floss? I mean your mouthwash? Good job. Hey, have you had a good day today?
Did you?
Yep, we had a good day. We finished up supper and it was time for bed.